better to love than to give into hate.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is LaVonne Tynesha. If this is your first time coming to my channel, please subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the new Shayla x Colourpop collection. And this month in the YouTube world, it's keeping it real, as we should always do, as I believe I always do. So I'm going to keep it real with you and do this review. I'm barefaced now, so I'm going to do the whole look for you. I bought the whole collection. That's the eyeshadow, the lipstick, the highlighters, and the lip gloss. So we're going to go over that today in this video, and that's about it. I'm just going to jump right into it. I've been watching all of Shayla's videos. If you haven't followed her, don't know who I'm talking about, I'm sure you do. If you found my channel, you know who Makeup Shayla is. And I told myself I was going to stop buying palettes, but then she launched this palette and I'm like, come on. But I had to get the palette. I'm glad it came. This is my first time ordering from Colourpop, and let's just say it took a long time to get to me. I ordered it on the day that it launched, and I just received it today. Was today May 7th? It arrived with a broken mirror. So I'm a little upset about that, but we're gonna still use the palette. And you know, I'm just not gonna use the mirror in the palette. I'm gonna have to use my own mirror. And we're just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start with my eyebrows, as I usually do. If you wanna see how I do my brows more in depth, I have a video about that. Next, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Caffeine. This is my first time using Colourpop, and just want to see how it applies and how it stays on. So I'm just blending it out with a blending brush. So this brush is from Sigma. It's an E25 blending brush. Okay, now going into our palette, the Perception palette. You see it? The packaging is beautiful. I must give it to her. I love these colors. I love the foil stamp. I love the paint swatches or paint drops. All the names are on the back of the palette. When you open up the palette, the names are underneath of all the colors. Unfortunately, again, my mirror is cracked. So starting with my transition color, I'm going to use Culture. I'm just gonna put this underneath of my brow bone. And I'm using a 224 by MAC blending brush. I'm gonna place Revenge underneath of Culture. There is a little fallout here. I did tap my brush, but there's still a little fallout. This is why I do my eyes first. All right, so far so good. So now I have my transition color and my crease color. Now I'm gonna go into Played Out. I'm gonna put this right here in my crease just to darken up this area here. I think I'm gonna go in and use Titus on my lid. I am a dog lover, so I think this is why I chose Titus, and I really haven't seen anyone use Titus yet. So Shayla, I know you're trying to do like every color in your palette, and I haven't seen Titus yet. So now with my blending brush, I'm gonna blend the edges where I put Played Out. In the inner corner, I'm going to apply Spill the Tea. That's pretty. It's like a copper. It's really pretty. Guys, I've been watching like Shayla's videos every week. I'm sure as most of you have too. If you're into these makeup videos. She has very great videos, and I've learned a lot from Shayla. She is also one of our MAC former employees, just like I am. And it's just great to see how far she's come doing makeup. In the outer crease, I'm gonna take Stallion. And it does look blue, but she says it applies like black. So I'm gonna darken up this area here. For my moisturizer today, I'm going to use the Jason Revitalizing Cream. I love this stuff. It just keeps my skin hydrated. I do have a normal to dry skin type, so I like to find something that's more of a cream base to help moisturize my skin. Next, going in with my primer, I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And since we're keeping it real, I'm not sure why I'm doing all this because I'm going to bed, but a primer actually just smooths out the skin. It helps keep the foundation on. You know, fills in any of your pores. And I just like how it makes my foundation look. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Cover FX Natural Finish Foundation. This is in G100. And I'm using this Sephora brush. It's a buffing brush. It's a flat head. Next, I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape. And this one's in Deep. And I'm just going to conceal my eyes. A little bit down my nose. And I'm blending this out with my beauty sponge. Next, I'm going to set my eyes with the Ben Nye Translucent Powder in Topaz. I'm going to apply this with my beauty sponge. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder in Medium Deep. And I'm going to wipe off the Ben Nye powder. Just try to blend that in. Next, I'm going to contour using the NW58 Studio Fix Powder by MAC. For my blush today, I'm going to use Lovejoy by MAC. So since this is a video with Shayla, I'm going to use her Maybelline Big Shots Mascara. Okay, I'm back with my lashes on, and I just had to go let my dog out. So this is keeping it real while you're filming. So they've had time to dry. I want to be able to smudge my eyeliner under my eyes because I'm going for a more dramatic smoky look. So I'm going to use Smoulder by MAC. It's an eye kohl crayon. And it is very dark and smudgeable. I'm going to tight line my eyes as well. Back with the palette, I'm going to use Titus again. And this is probably like perfect timing because my dog is barking downstairs. I don't know if you can hear him. So I'm just gonna smudge under here into my liner. So the collection comes with 2 highlighters. They're loose highlighters. One is called Pose and this one's called Boomin'. And from her video, she always suggests that, you know, warmer, darker skin tones, women of color should use Pose. So that's the one I'm going to use today. However, I will swatch Boomin' for you in the video. Oh wow. Oh, you guys see that? Wow. That might have been a little bit too much. It's okay. I'll clean that off. Wow. You would think that would be called Boomin', right? Okay, Shayla. Wow. Look at that highlight. Do you see that? Of course y'all see it. Like, how can you not see it? Wow, that's pretty. So I have the 3 lipsticks here. The first one is Quickie, Come On Sis, and Oouuu. And let me tell you guys, this is my first time, like I said, ordering from Colourpop. These lipsticks are $7. Like, I thought it was gonna come in like a little flimsy, you know, container. These are actually heavy. And I love the little stars on the lipsticks. Really cute. But I love the rose gold color. It goes with the packaging. Today, I don't know. Let's do some swatches. So this one is Quickie. This one is Oouuu. And this one is Come On Sis. So now that we've done the swatches, I don't know which one I want to use because these are colors that I normally wouldn't use. But I'm thinking with this eye, I should go with Oouuu. Let's try Oouuu. So I'm going to line my lips with Chestnut Lip Liner by MAC. And now I'm going to apply the lipstick. Okay, I'm not mad at this lipstick for $7. It's very creamy. I like it. All right, I think I changed my mind. This is a very good peachy. I'm actually going to apply Quickie right in the middle of it here. Like, guys, get this lipstick. Like, this is a great lipstick. I love the packaging. It's creamy. It doesn't feel like my lips will be dry. I like it. And of course, I got the lip gloss. I'm going to put the gloss over top. Oh, that's pretty. Now I'm gonna set my face with a little bit Fix Plus, as I always do. You know, this is like my favorite. So love, this is the look. This is my Perception look. This is the Shayla times Colourpop collection. I bought all the pieces from the collection and I think for $59, I highly recommend getting this. It will restock again on May 11th, I believe. It's out of stock now. I didn't show you Boomin'. I used Pose today, but now I want to show you Boomin' just because. I'm just going to put some over top of Pose. See what it does. I am like glowing now, like a little glowworm. I love, love, love the lipsticks. Like, here they are, swatches again. So I love the lip gloss as well. This is called Neat Freak. My lip gloss is popping. Mwah. I love it. What I like most about the palette is that she has 16 colors. And you have all your colors. You have your darks, you have your transition colors, you have your blue, your green, purples, like everything is in this palette that you could possibly do to create an eye. Shayla has a lot of videos using this palette. I'm sure she's gonna do more to promote this palette. I really do wish it didn't come broken. I did submit a customer care request for them to send me another one. So hopefully they'll send that to me because this is my first time buying anything from Colourpop, so I'm kind of disappointed about that. Literally, it came in this package and 8 products came in here. So I would like to see my product ship better, maybe in a box. That will give it more protection. You know, guys, I am a package designer, so this is stuff that I deal with every day. We want to get it to the customer, you know, not damaged, right? So all in all, I love the products. It's a great buy. Colourpop is very affordable products. So that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Metro Boomin. Okay, I'm not sure why I kept my glasses on for this, but it just goes. He is really barking right now while I'm trying to make this video. Nika!